So guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use your external microphone, such as a Shure microphone here, or a Blue Yeti, any sort of microphone that uses a USB-C, and connect it to your DJI Pocket 3. So what we want to do, first of all, is we want to take our mic, our DJI Pocket 3, and then we want to locate the USB here. So you will need the extendable handle here, and the extendable battery, and then what you need is the USB-C cable from your microphone. So what we want to do first of all is we just want to put that into here. So as you can see now, I've put the cable into the USB and I've turned it around so my camera looks like this. So all I need to do now is turn on the camera, and then it will auto detect that the microphone is connected. Now I've done this correctly, what you will then notice is if I turn this around, what you will notice on the camera is that you will see a bar going up and down to make sure that the camera is working. So if I turn the camera on and the microphone, as you can see, once the microphone is on and you are speaking, this little green bar here will show up, which means your microphone is now connected and you are good to go to start recording any videos that you want to record. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can connect a USB-C microphone to your DJI Pocket 3.